Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're out here at the sawmill. We're gonna do some milling, and the goal is to mill up some lumber to build a small off-grid cabin back here in the backyard that will have multiple uses. I think it's going to be kind of the backdrop for my second channel, which is called the Hillbilly Woodsman Show, and we're going to have probably my buddy and his sister's going to come out. Probably mostly my buddy will come out here, really good friend of mine that I've known pretty much my whole life. So he wanted to kind of work with me a little bit and kind of get this other channel going or whatever. I'm really not sure just how much we're going to be able to put into that, because he works a job where he gets, like, say, the weekends off, and I work a job where I pretty much work every weekend. So that's kind of a pain right there, just to try to, you know, get things to work out there. But you know, I can't just like take off on weekends, because you know, it's just I have one of them jobs. It's odd like that. So anyways, so yeah, we're out here at the sawmill. We're gonna get some we're gonna go get a log put up on the mill, and I got my loggers tape right there, the original loggers tape here. It's got the horseshoe nail on it. So we're gonna be using that and trying it out, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. And I'll be posting links in the description down below, to where, you know, if you want to get this right here, you can go get it. As of this morning, these right here are actually sold out, and they don't know when they're going to have more. So hopefully in the near future they'll have more of them. But anyways, let's go grab this log and get it on the mill. right, so that nail does not want to come out, so we have to bring the big guns out here. So I'll show you guys a little trick that I learned whenever I was pulling a lot of pallets apart for making projects. And inevitably, the head on pallets, you know, that oak, it's hard to get the nails to come out. So a nice little trick is a torch. Basically what you do is you heat up that nail and let it get red hot, glowing red hot, all the way down inside that wood. And what it will do is it will kind of char the wood around the nail and make it easier to pull. And you can either use like your fencing pliers if you don't have some of those to grab a hold of it. Maybe you got some vice grips. The thing you got to worry about with the vice grips is the angle when you go to roll it to pull it out. Typically it bends it so far that you might break the nail. So that's what makes fencing pliers kind of nice, is because this right here, it just doesn't bend as far before it starts pulling it. So here we go. There it is. That was a much longer nail than the other one, but that's how you do it. It came out, so that's all that matters. Got a little bit of charcoal on the outside log, no big deal. That's trash anyway. So thing is that you want to watch out for, don't start a fire around your mill. Kind of make sure everything's put out. You know, follow procedures like hang around for about an hour after you've put out any flames, and just make sure it doesn't start back up or start smoldering. Right, so we was able to get that nail out of there finally, and I wanted to show you guys a new tool that we're using here. And you've probably already seen that, and that's this Spencer original loggers tape right here. And it's pretty nice. I like having it around here, having that nail on there where I can just kind of stick that into the bark, which is pretty hard to do on this pin oak, but you know, you can measure your logs out and everything. It's really nice when there's just one of you. So using a regular tape measure is just a pain, so that's why I ended up finally getting one of these. So I'm really glad to have that. Oh yeah, link will be down in the description. Oh yeah, link down in description. All right guys, so if you can't tell, this log is pretty big, and we're gonna have to tinker with it a little bit, get it just right so we can actually get the mill to go down this thing. That's why I'm glad I got the HM130 instead of one of the smaller mills, because you know, this log right here, this is an average size log for this area. It's actually not really that big, so I don't know, it's hard to fit them. This flare right here at the butt end is quite a bit bigger than what it is down there. So we're gonna have to get this milled off here, get a camp made out of it. So here we go, put you guys in a time lapse. Alright guys, real quick here before we lose all daylight. I keep having traffic driving by here. I can't catch a break. But anyways, so we got 4 6x6s and quite a few 2x6s probably out of that. We got 3 2x6s. But the slabs are going to be put back on the mill and resawn. And so those will probably be like 2x4s, 2x6s or whatnot. But I think we're going to build like a timber frame cabin. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button so you can follow along. And here comes more traffic. Alright, I'm just going to have to go with it because I can't like keep going. We're running out of daylight quick. So anyways, make sure you click that subscribe button, guys, so that you can follow. Are you kidding me? And you hear him an eighth of a mile down the road. It sounds good and all. That's my neighbor over here. He'll probably pull in his yard and start revving it up like he was earlier. I don't know if you guys heard that. I'll probably cut it out. But anyways, yeah. Click the subscribe button down there, guys, so that you can follow along as we mill up all the lumber, the timbers and everything for building this building. I think what we're probably going to do is build a timber frame cabin. And basically I bought a book that teaches you how to timber frame, and it gives you blueprints and everything kind of step by step in that book to kind of build your own cabin. And there's other things like you can build it like this one certain way, and then you can kind of add on to it or whatever. You can plan ahead and build it to where you can have like lean-tos and other rooms added onto the side of it and stuff. So anyways, that's probably what we're going to be doing. So make sure you click that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.